This is my science project in a box. It's what makes a better parachute. That's the focus question. The objective will be that students will determine which type of material works best by testing different options. Students will understand how air resistance plays a role in flight. And these are the directions. This is my container for all the items. The first step is to make sure that all of the items are here. I'm going to take them out. I now have all my materials out, so I have my hole puncher, my pencil, my scissors, my napkin, my ruler, my data sheet, my tissue paper, the plastic, the string, the weights, the tape, and back to the scissors. So for the sake of the video, I'm gonna just show the napkin, but you would do the tissue paper and the plastic the same way. So you start out by taking the napkin out, unfolding it. Oh, we got a defective napkin there, so we're gonna have to get a different one. And after you lay it flat, you get your tape and you put a little piece of tape on each of the corners. Then you get your hole puncher. And you punch a hole in the center of the tape. And you get your string out and your ruler. And you measure 30 centimeters of tape, of string. We're gonna need our scissors. So you do 30. Cut it. And then we need 3 more exactly the same length, so just this you could measure 30 centimeters out, but I find that this goes a little bit faster if you measure one and then do like this. And then after you have your 4 strings cut, you tie them onto the corner of your paper, what material you're working with. In this case, it would be the napkin. And then you would need to fold it. This one already is perforated, so it's easy, but you fold it long ways and then half ways again. And then you want to grab all your strings. And it probably would have been better if I had got the weight out before. But you put the weight on, tie it. And you have, open it back up, and you have your parachute. So these are what the parachutes are supposed to look like, one of each, the tissue paper, the plastic, and the napkin. I've already done these ahead of time. Now is the step where you would need to test 2 of them. You would need your pencil and your data sheet. The directions to conduct the test: you want to make sure you hold the parachute from the top and stand up and raise your arms in front of you. You want to make sure you put each type of parachute in one of each of your hands and then let go. And then you would have to decide which one landed first. You need to repeat this with every single type of parachute against the other one and record it on the data sheet. Based on your data, you would then need to decide what makes a better parachute, why you think the parachute you picked was the better one than the others, and what are some things you could make the others better in. And that concludes my science project in a box.